welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited. I got a recommendation. I want to start the video off with that. From one of my subscribers. I did ask her permission. Would it be okay to bring her up in this video? Her name, I don't know her name, but I know what her name is in YouTube world. And her name is Ashley Smashley. Ashley, I'm so sorry if I did not pronounce that right, but girl, you hooked me up. I had no idea. Like, where was I when this was happening? This launched, I want to say, about 9 days ago now. I purchased them yesterday, so it would have been 8 days, but today, 9 days. Today is Thursday, but by the time you see this, it'll probably be like 10 or 11 by the time I physically get it edited and uploaded. But anyways, it launched, within a few weeks ago by the time that you see this video. But she hooked me up. I had no idea. I had no clue, and I'm so glad that she did, because I am shook. I am shocked. I am quaking. I am shaking. I am dying, living and breathing. These palettes are so good. And it's so crazy because they're drugstore, and I know that there's tons and tons of drugstore, like ColourPop, BH Cosmetics. Those are, yes, drugstore prices, but they're not actually at the drugstore. These are from Walmart. I'm gonna say it again. From Walmart. These are so good. Now these, I believe, are inspired also by Game of Thrones. Ashley recommended to me on my other Game of Thrones video. If you have not seen that video, not to worry, I'll link it up in the video comments up here so you can go check that out as well. But these retail each for $14.99. Now there are 4 palettes. The first one is the Overthrown. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty. That is so gorgeous. It does net weight. The net weight is 6.4 grams or 0.22 ounces. Just to add a little tidbit, Ashley, after watching this, that night that you told me about this palette, I actually went on to Walmart.com and I Googled it. Actually, no, I didn't go to Walmart.com. I didn't know where to buy it, so I kind of just was like, CoverGirl, Game of Thrones, and it was just like, buy it from Walmart. So I bought it, and I decided to pick it up the next day, so I did that, and I went out and grabbed them right away. So thank you so much for that recommendation. But this one, again, moving back into the palette, I'm just really excited about these palettes. This is Overthrown, and here's what it looks like on the back. Oh my gosh. And it says, Overthrown, a palette of dark and richly fully pigmented shadows in opaque and shimmery finishes, tones ranging from smoky green, cobalt blues, and maroons from an intense smoky eye. It says intensely pigmented, blendable shades, versatile matte and shimmer shades. I am wearing these on my eyes right now, and I'm telling you right now, their words hold true, and I am so impressed. It's just, wait till you see the inside, okay? Now, it does come with a mirror, so A+ on that. That's usually one of our bigger complaints is, where's the mirror? It does come with the mirror, so just know that. Oh, I wish I could show you guys the mirror, because it does have, like, a really cute, like, design. Like, the design down here, like this right here, is also up here as well, if you can kind of see that. And look at how it's designed. That is so cool. Like, I mean, not that I've never, but like, this is just so high quality for $15. Whoa. You can see I'm already playing with them. Like, you can see my little swirl marks from swatching and playing with them. I had to. So let's just get like some swatches of these together, because I'm telling you, if you don't own these, don't wait, don't hesitate, go get them. I mean, for drugstore though, but yeah, oh my God. That's just game over. Wow, I am just so incredibly impressed. Okay, so let's just go through the names though really quickly. So the ones that I just watched is Dethroned, Alter Ego, Conviction, Loveless, Never Again, and Taken. The next ones down here in the bottom row is Wreckage, Swiped, Smoldered, Vanquish, Fallen, and then we have one more that we didn't grab, but here those 5 are. Oh, I probably should have swatched these differently, but I didn't. Oops, hold on. I kind of like messed that one up. For Drugstore. I didn't swatch the Legacy shade or the Taken. So let's get some swatches on those. Oops. Wow. Yeah, that is incredibly beautiful. I'm very surprised, very shocked again with how amazingly beautiful they are. Again, there are 4 palettes in this series and they are inspired by Game of Thrones. So that's the Overthrown palette. Alright, we're starting with a fresh arm. Alright, so the next one we're going to look at, this one is called the Ascension. And again, it has the same net weight on it. It does say Ascension, a palette of soft and romantic cool tone neutrals. So it's going to be a cool toned palette. It's illuminating metallics, pearlized pinks, and champagnes inspired by the rise of Her Majesty. Intensely pigmented, blendable shades, versatile mattes, and shimmer shades. Okay, so we have, oh, let me just pull these up here and then we can just go through the names together. But that's what the palette looks like. Oh, I'm not usually into cool tones, but I might have to venture down this way because they are so pretty. Okay, so we have Glass Slipper. So we'll just look at the first row together. And again, the pattern does fall through with the mirror. It does have a mirror. Oh my gosh, and I wanted to mention this because if you've watched my videos for a long time, you know that this is like a pet peeve of mine. Like, you know it is. Look at the mats! There's so many mats in here! I am shookish. I don't know if that's a word, but I am. My necklace, I want to that again. Shookish. Just shook. How many beautiful mats are in this palette, and I feel like I have such a versatile look, even though it is cool tone. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. Alright, so Glass Slipper, we have Aurora, Fantasy, Twirl, Loyalty, and Tully? Queen to Be, Truffles, Committed, Bliss, Admiration, and Curtsy. That's the bottom row down here. My arm's dry, so we can go ahead and swatch now. Yay! Let's go ahead and get some swatches of these. I wish I had more fingers, because they do come in a row of 2, 4, 6. Yeah, they do come in 6 rows. Yep. Oh my god, they are so pigmented and so blendable. Like, it's, look at that, from the drugstore. That is, I'm so shocked, and they're so good. Ugh, being over dramatic, but I'm telling you, no, these are bomb. I'm gonna give you some 90s right now. Bomb.com. It's the bomb.com. Like, are you freaking, like, oh my god. Yes. Okay, so the next one that we're gonna talk about, my favorite. Oh. So this is Revolution. Again, your net weight is still the same as the other palette, 6.4 grams or 22 ounces. And this is, it says claim your own with your Revolution, a palette of highly pigmented matte and metallic shades ranging from burnt oranges, deep burgundy to shimmering golds. Intensely pigmented, blendable, versatile mattes and shimmering shades. So this is what the back of it looks like. Kidding me, like, oh gosh. The mirror looks the same, so I'm not going to show you guys that, but here's what the inside of the palette looks like. Ooh, my eyeshadow looks good though. I just love how they're formulated, how they're laid out in this pan. It's not just straight across in rows. It's just, it's so, alright, I'm done. You've heard me say it enough. It's good. They're good. If you don't believe me at this point, I don't know what else to say. I don't know how else to prove that to you. I have no clue. Alright, let's go swatch these. I'm running out of room. What you gotta say? That's pigmented. It's really, really pretty. So that was the first row here. We're gonna go ahead and swatchy the bottom row. I'm just really excited about this freaking palette. Like, that is so incredible. So there is Revolution, and then the last one we have is Rain. This is the gold palette. Now this one is a little bit different than the original, or the other ones. It says rise up with rain and illuminate palettes of opaque golds, regal blues, nudes, and glam shadows to fit for a queen. I am not going to read the bottom part because it is the same. This one we do have the 12 shades again, and it is laid out the exact same way. The mirror is the exact same way as well. Here it is up close. Alright, so we have the top row, and this is Dignified, Money Maker, Crowned, Next of Kin, Forever Yours, Congregated, Lavish, Good For You, Power Trip, Monorage Magic, High Life, and Spellbound. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. Okay, let's get the top row. Oh wait, hold on. I lied. I gotta like, yeah, because I'm gonna do my other arm. Which is weird for me. It's just like, I am a lefty. It's just odd. Sorry, don't mind. Oh my god. Like, stop. Oh my gosh. Ugh. They're so freaking gorgeous. This blue one though. Oh, this blue. Look at that blue one. Look. Oh my god, there's so many duochromes in here too. Like, that is just, stop it. Just, oh, like, you're freaking me right now. Like, you're freaking kidding me. Spellbound, that's the last one I just shot. Yeah. So freaking pretty. Okay guys, so I'm not going to try these on in this video, but I will tell you what I'm wearing. I try to dip into each palette. So I did use the Ascension. I dipped into the Truffle shade and the Tully shade and the Loyalty shade. I use this kind of build up that outer portion of the eye. This and this shade, I kind of mix them together for the lid shade. So that's what I used in there. As far as this one, I didn't really actually use. Oh yeah, I did. I used the Conviction. I used the black shade in here. Oh, and I also used Fallen, I used the black shade here and the outer V in Fallen just to kind of like blend out the top of that so we have a seamless blend. From the gold palette, what did I use? I didn't use anything from here. I honestly didn't. I'm gonna play with it more and get some more versatile looks from it. This one I freaking love, and I've used it like 1,000 times, probably. Alright, so the shades that I use for this look, I use Get It, Ruthless, Showdown, and Bear It All. Did I read these too? I don't know. But I'll just read them now. Blazin', Get Out, Shadow Down, Day One, Committed, Legend, Expose, Ruthless, Secret Password, Shoot and Sparkle, Bear It All, and Dare. Let's just... that is so freaking... Okay. So these can be purchased at Walmart.com. They are Walmart exclusives. I believe you can also purchase these in the store. They do retail for $14.99. The Game of Thrones palette that I bought from Urban Decay retailed for $65. With tax, I paid about $70, $71. I got all 4 of these palettes for the price of one palette from Urban Decay. So you guys tell me what you guys think down below in the comment section. What do you think of these palettes? Are you going to purchase them? Are you going to buy them? What are your thoughts? Also, don't forget we have the giveaway starting at the end of this month. The rules are very, very simple. Just make sure you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and share. Thank you so much for being part of the beauty and sexy family. And until the next one, guys, stay beautiful and stay sexy. Thank you so much for watching.